Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications for all Instagram lives. Okay, so here we are on the Instagram app. Let's go ahead and swipe over to the home page. So what we want to do is become notified whenever someone goes live, like a specific person. All right, let's just go to Sam Sheffer here. So let's say that we want to be notified when this dude goes live every time. So we're following him. I don't even think you need to be following him, but if you want to be notified for someone, you probably should just be following them anyways. But what you want to do is tap the following button. That's going to give us a bunch of options. It's going to open up this menu. From here you can do lots of things with notifications, muting their posts, blocking them, unfollowing them, etc. What we want to do is tap on notifications. You can also turn on notifications for posts, stories, Instagram TVs with this too, just with these toggles. But we want to tap on the bottom one that says live videos. So right now I'm set to get some notifications if this dude goes live. So I could turn off all notifications or I could get all notifications as well. So I'll just do get all notifications. Now if this person goes live, I'm going to get a notification on my phone and I can tap and go view that instantly. Then I'm going to go back again. Just close this or whatever, and we're all good to go. You don't need to hit save or anything like that. It automatically saves it. And you can do that for as many people as you want. I could go into whatever accounts that I like most and turn on those live notifications so that I get it every time that they go live. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also check out the Instagram playlist. There's hundreds of Instagram tutorials in there. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.